Hello there, crafty friends. Danny here from Danny's Dreams, stopping by to share my 4 on Friday cards with you. If you're new to my channel, 4 on Friday is a crafty collaboration that I do with Alicia from the Call Me Crafty Al channel. We started this quite a while ago. Originally, we would choose the same item or product or technique and make 4 cards, but then we decided it'd be more fun to surprise each other. So we choose either like one stamp set or one technique, and we create 4 cards, and then we share what we made. For my 4 on Friday this week, I decided to go with one of my favorite techniques, paper piecing. I love paper piecing. I think it just adds so much fun. I do have a tutorial on it if it's something new to you or something you'd forgotten about. Everything is listed in the description box below, as well as Alicia's video and what products I could find that were still available. And so let's get on to my card. From all of my cards, I used stamps from La La Land Crafts. I feel their line of stamps really make for some great paper piecing. First up is a new stamp I just got. I just love her. She's Snuggly Molly, and I used a Cat Scrappiness cover plate behind her, which is the Stitched Hearts cover plate, which is also a first for me. I have never had a cover plate before, so I thought that was so fun. And then I used this banner die from La La Land Crafts. Not sure if it's still available. Like I said, everything will be linked below. And even the paper that I used on all of these cards today is also from La La Land Crafts, and it's called the Love You More designer paper stack. I really liked it. It's a thicker paper, and it was just a lot of fun to work with. So she is snuggle season, and she's all in her little hoodie there. I wish that I could be so stylish. And then there's the inside. So that's my first card. Next up, I have Cozy Mona. I really love her outfit. I wish I could be that stylish. And then I used a pretty pink posh die to kind of create this opening here. And the sentiment that came with her, cozy, a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. Just so fun. Again, paper piecing is just so fun, and it just, I don't know, it kind of makes it so neat to see it look more like, I guess, more realistic, maybe. Next up, I used one of the Club La La Land kits. This one was the August 2020 La La Land Crafts kit. I get the one that has the stamps and the dies. Absolutely love it. Have not utilized my kits as often, so I'm trying to use them more. But I paper pieced that chair. I think it looks so fun. The little cat, the dog, eating her popcorn, just sitting here thinking of you. And I put the little cat on the inside. Super duper fun. And then last but not least, I used the Never Change stamp set. I thought it'd be fun to paper piece that lizard, and I was right. That chameleon, he definitely took on the background there. You're one in a chameleon. Just layered up that paper, stamped him on the inside. So those are my 4 cards for my 4 on Friday this time around. I hope that you will take some time and hop on over and watch Alicia's video. Again, everything is linked below. I will list all the products that I can find that are still available. And I also will have a blog post that has more pictures and details and stuff. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you have a wonderful day. And until my next video, do something crafty.